Welcome to a world where alphabet learning feels joyful, consistent, and beautifully connected. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 thoughtfully designed resources that build strong letter foundations, whether you're teaching in a classroom, homeschooling, or supporting early learners at home. Let's explore a truly immersive alphabet experience, our interactive letter boom cards. Each deck focuses on a single letter and includes 15 to 20 engaging slides, perfect for classroom introductions or individual practice at home. With clear audio instructions and clickable images that speak, even our youngest learners can navigate independently. We begin with a cheerful letter introduction featuring a large letter and a cute animal companion. Tap the letter and it speaks its sound aloud.
Click on the images to listen.
Next, learners build sound letter association through vibrant images that name themselves when clicked, boosting phonics and vocabulary together.
Click and listen. D. Dolphin, dinosaur, duck, dog, drum.
Letter formation comes to life with animated GIFs modeling correct strokes.
Let's practice writing the uppercase letter. Press the draw button and practice writing. Make sure to touch the lines correctly as shown.
As we move into practice mode, students drag images that begin with their target letter into a box.
Look at the letter written on the box. Drag and drop all the pictures in the box that begin with this letter. Deer, duck, dolphin, dragonfly.
Then they choose the correct beginning letter from a group, followed by a slightly more advanced challenge, typing the first letter after hearing the picture name.
Select the beginning letters of these pictures. Butterfly. Write the beginning letters of these pictures. Donut. Cupcake.
Uppercase and lowercase matching is next.
Match their lowercase letters.
Alphabetical order is reinforced through fill-in-the-blank exercises.
Fill in the missing letters. For each letter, type the uppercase letter in the first box and the lowercase letter in the next one.
We wrap up with more letter picture matching using colorful draggable letters.
Match the letters with the pictures. Cat, dolphin.
And finally, there are 2 listening tests.
Listen to the letter name and type it. B. D. Listen to the letter sound and type it.
D. A. K. This deck offers a complete alphabet foundation, interactive, skill-rich, and joyful from start to finish. It is available as a complete bundle covering all 26 letters, perfect for building a consistent alphabet routine. You can also grab individual decks if you prefer. To get a taste of experience, one letter deck is available as a free sample. Just click the link in the description to explore. Resource 2. The letter booklets. Let's take a closer look at our printable letter booklets, designed to build strong alphabet foundation one letter at a time. Each letter booklet focuses on a single letter and begins with a colorable cover featuring an animal cum letter, perfect for introducing the letter in a fun visual way. Inside, the letter is introduced with directional arrows for correct formation, alongside 5 picture cues to help children connect the letter to its sound. Next comes the writing practice pages. Each one shows a large model letter with formation arrows and matching image. Students trace dotted letters on the first 2 lines, then write independently using starting dots, minimizing prep for teachers and making it easy for parents. There are 3 dedicated writing pages, one for uppercase, one for lowercase, and one for both, giving learners structured, progressive practice. To keep engagement high, writing pages are alternated with fun picture-based activities. Children circle images matching to the letters matching to the images, fill in the missing uppercase and lowercase letters, and complete the letter order. As the skill grows, students begin writing the beginning letter of the given pictures, moving from recognition to recall. Towards the end, the booklet includes gentle assessments, writing letters in order, dictation by name and sound, and reading the test with jumbled letters. These are interspersed with playful tasks like letter picture matching and find and color activities. Each booklet follows alphabetical order, reinforcing previous letters and encouraging consistent practice throughout the learning journey. Teacher-friendly features include classwork and homework and date fields, starting dots for writing, and quick check answer key, making these ideal for classroom and homeschool alike. You can print full pages or use Adobe Reader's booklet printing option, then print it as a booklet to fold in a staple, an easy way to introduce a new letter each week. You can grab these booklets individually or as a part of a complete bundle at a discounted price. Want to explore before you commit? A free sample deck is available. Just check the link in the description. Like to have all the letters in one place? The compiled workbook version is now available. Our final alphabet resource is a classroom favorite, mini picture cards, perfectly sized to fit pocket charts and little hands. Each letter comes with 6 vibrant images, 5 from the picture booklet and 1 extra, plus matching alphabet cards. All images are chosen to reflect most common sounds of each letter, making phonics practice clear and consistent. You can print them front and back to show the image name behind each card, or print separately for matching games. For durability, laminating is highly recommended. These cards unlock endless hands-on activities: alphabet hunts, sound sorts, letter sorting, matching and memory games. For matching and memory, just print 2 sets and let the fun begin. Whether in centers, small groups, or home setups, these mini cards bring movement, engagement, and joyful learning to your alphabet routine. In this video, I have shared 3 hand-picked alphabet resources, 1 interactive, 1 printable, and 1 hands-on, to give you a taste of the variety and depth available for early learners. But this is just a glimpse. There's a whole lot more to explore. To browse the complete collection of alphabet tools and activities, head to my store. The link is in the description below, along with the free samples to help you get started. Thanks for watching and happy teaching.